To be honest with you, more than likely, once you start replacing your UPS income passively with real estate, you're gonna not want to work that UPS job anymore, and you're gonna probably want to do something else, which is fine, because now you'll have more time and you can actually start another business if you really wanted to. So that's something that where you could work on your own time, or you could go drop down to part-time at UPS if you just want to be able to do something and not have idle time. But you grind for a couple of years so that what you're doing when you're grinding is you're going to essentially buy that time back with investing it back into real estate so that you can get some legit dividend income that you can live off of. Does that make sense? But I wouldn't go the accounting route, bro, because you're gonna lose money to potentially make a little bit more money, and you're gonna have to work years to make that money, and then you might have to probably go ahead and get more degrees and or get a get a certification or go back to school, and this is all gonna cost you money. So right now, it looks to me like you're just trying to make money in the fastest amount of time. Stick with your UPS job. You're getting benefits. You're accruing retirement. You're making money already, and your costs are low because you don't have to go to school to do it necessarily. So keep working the job that you're doing. Earn that 100K. Work as many overtime hours as you can. Take that money, save it, keep your costs low. Invest all your fucking income if you can. Like try to live off of 30% of your income right now off real estate. Off of UPS. Take the other 70%, throw that shit into real estate, and then slowly start to build up that real estate portfolio. And then you can go ahead and start transitioning and working less hours with UPS. And then eventually you can make that game time decision. Once you fully replace your UPS income with your real estate portfolio, then you can go ahead and have that, that talk with yourself. Like, am I ready do I want to quit? Which I'll be honest with you, more than likely you're going to be like, fuck this shit. I don't need to work anymore. I'm going to chill. I'm going to go do something else. All right. But you want to be in that position where you can make that decision.
Okay. Could I just say one last thing if that's okay? It's going to be quick.
Fast.
Okay, cool. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate everything you guys do, and I hope you guys have a great night. All right, goodbye.
All right, man.